Alright, today we'll be changing out a zone system that ain't no good. As you can see, them dampers don't even have motors in them. They're not hooked up. There's an old zone board. Here's a new zone board, new dampers, new transformer. I've done put a new thermostat up. I'll be pausing this and unpausing it as I go to try to shorten it up, but I'll try to get as much in there as I can. Alright, we moved our zone board from the front over here to the side. That's the first thing we did. I'll start landing some wires now. Okay, got zone 1 thermostat, zone 1 damper, and I'm going to put, this is going to be my zone 1 damper. I'm going to land some more wires and we'll pick up from there. Okay, now we have zone 2 thermostat and zone 2 damper wired, and zone 2 damper is going to be over there. Some dampers are 2 wires, but these are 3 wires because on a 2 wire you have a damper that's spring open and power close, where these are power open and power close, so you have to have power to open it, power to close it, power to open, power to close. So that's the reason why this has 3 wires instead of 2. Alright, now we have zone 2 damper installed and wired. You'll notice there. And that's gonna back to zone 2. And then I'll show you this one when I get done with it. Now zone 1 is hooked up. Got that neatened up a little. Alright. Now we'll install a transformer and get the equipment landed and some power to this board.